Welcome to today's video on setting up aggregate measures. My name is Christine Barker. I am the Results Software Product Manager and Trainer. Today's lesson is on setting up an aggregate measure. I'm in my training map called Aggregate Map, and you'll see here that when I scroll down, I have already set up both my parent and my children measures. So the very first step when you're setting up an aggregate measure is to set up both the parent and all the children. I did that through the cloning functionality, so it was really fast. I made one child and I cloned the other children from that. So to do the setup of the aggregate measure, you go to the parent measure. I'm going to go ahead and do that and select Edit. Okay, and then the aggregation occurs by going to the aggregate field here. So aggregate, it was on num. I've already selected sum, okay, and you'll see here that I have two other options, average and median, okay, but my aggregate measures will be on a call center volume. So I want to go ahead and I have 3 teams and I'm going to go ahead and add up so that I get a department level number. So once I do that, you'll see that you have a new dialog box here, okay, called Add Child Measure. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my first call, my first child measure, call volume for Team 1. Go ahead and I select that. I'm going to put the date that this is effective. So I'm going to go ahead and actually say that the effective date was on March. Select that date. And I'm not going to select an expiration date because I'm going to keep this aggregation. I don't have an ending date for it. So this is an optional field and I go ahead and I select add. So I go ahead and then I do that for my other remaining children. Do the same thing, it kept that effective date and I hit add. And again, I do it for my third. So the trick on the aggregation setup is creating all your parent and all your children first and then doing the connection second. And once you do that, you are ready to start with data inputting, and I'll do that in a separate training video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you.